Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix Play Store cannot download free apps. The first thing that you need to make sure of is that you have a strong internet connection. For that you can switch between your Wi-Fi and mobile data and also turn airplane mode on and off on your device. If that does not solve the problem, you can head over to settings on your device, scroll down to find apps, tap on Google Play Store, tap on storage and cache, and then clear the storage and cache of Google Play Store to see if it is corrupted cache file causing the problem. The other thing that you can do is head over to Google Play Store one more time, hit the three lines at the top right of your screen, uninstall updates of your Google Play Store, and try downloading the app again. The other thing that you need to make sure of is that you have enough storage space. For that, we're heading back to settings, tap on storage, and make sure that you have at least 2 GB or the amount required by the app on your phone. You can also remove your account, restart your device, and re-add your account on your device to see if that solves the problem. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.